wireless sub then. Nothing special on the back, I don't think. Just mains input and linking to the bar. Power and wireless to the bar. What's that? I don't know.
Looks
5 or 6 inch woofer.
One of the other ones, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does. Yeah. It's the back.
I'm actually glad it's not glossy.
2 mains, leads and a remote. Hey?
I'm glad it's not glossy.
Yeah, it's better not glossy because they just scratch, don't they? As soon as you put something on it. Or you even go to dust them and they used to scratch. That's the bar then. It's meant to be really good, this is, but we'll soon see. Acoustic beam technology.
Is that what you can see running down it?
Yeah, it's got like, it's like a flute shaped thing. You can't see it on this, but I saw it when they're taking one out of the show. It's like a flute, like that long, with loads of holes in it. So you can send different tones down it. I don't know how it works, if there's anything mechanical. But what's on there? Digital optical in, 3.5mm auxiliary in, USB, HDMI in, HDMI out for ARC and 24V input on the power pack. It's the ARC on that, if we can see it, which is a HDMI 4 audio return channel. And then that's the power pack. Stretch in.
Woohoo.
Just feed them through. It's only 2 wires though, so it's not so bad. You can do them wirelessly to the TV, but audio return again, ARC, 24 volts. Don't know what's best sort of content wise. Just out of power. Right. That's looking for the bar. Right.
I don't know if that came out in portrait then. Oh well.
Yeah, you're right. Same as last year's, pretty much. Turn it on, have a look. Should set it to digital in and then it should detect ARC. I'll just play something. I'll just put it to TV quickly.
So.
Struggle manfully on.
Oh yeah, look at the display.
Got a delivery. It's quite a big one, but luckily Harry has so many friends. You have a bit of help.
Just sound alright actually, doesn't it? Yeah. It's meant to sound clear and
Hello,
good
guys.
on all tones.
How you doing? What?
Oh, EastEnders.
Landlord's sniffing around dropping his stupid cufflinks.
Look, seeing as Ray isn't here, maybe you could man.
Does sound clear on dialogue though, to be fair, doesn't it?
Yeah. Not much you can really do.
No. Oh, I tell you what you can do, quickly radio.
Which Francis has big
I
plans
don't know
for.
how well the microphone picks it up.
We called Mama Lou. What's up? Give me that funk, that sweet, that nasty, that gushy stuff. Come on, give me that funk, that sweet, that nasty, that gushy stuff.
It's quite good for the size of the bar, I think. Set anywhere in